Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Mitsubishi 2.4 DID engine, often found in models like the L200, Triton in some markets, pickup truck, and Pajero Sport, is part of Mitsubishi's 4N1 engine family, specifically the 4N15 engine code. This engine was introduced around 2015 as a replacement for the older 2.5-liter diesel, aiming for improved efficiency, refinement, and performance. It features an all-aluminum construction, variable camshaft timing MIVEC for both intake and exhaust valves, counter-rotating balance shafts, and a variable geometry turbo. Here's a detailed review. Reviews and opinions. Performance. Generally praised for its strong and muscular performance for a 2.4-liter, offering good power, typically around 133 kilowatts/181 horsepower, and substantial torque, around 430 newton meters. This makes it capable for everyday driving, highway cruising, and particularly well-suited for towing and off-road applications. Refinement. Compared to its 2.5-liter predecessor, the 2.4 DID is noted for being significantly more refined and quieter, especially for a diesel pickup truck engine. The balanced shafts contribute to smoother operation. Off-road capability. When paired with Mitsubishi's Super Select 2.4WD system, as in the L200/Triton, the engine's power and the advanced 4WD system make for excellent off-road performance. Towing. It's well regarded for its towing capabilities, often rated for a braked towing mass of around 3,100 kilograms. Advantages. Good power and torque output. Delivers robust performance suitable for heavy-duty use and towing. Improved refinement. Quieter and smoother than previous Mitsubishi diesel engines, enhancing driving comfort. Advanced technology. Features like all-aluminum construction, MIVEC variable valve timing, balance shafts, and a variable geometry turbo were quite advanced for a pickup truck engine at its introduction. Fuel efficiency, relative to class while not segment-leading in all conditions, its official fuel economy figures are competitive within the pickup truck segment, and real-world figures are generally considered commendable for a 4x4 double cab. Reliability, with caveats, generally considered a reliable engine, assuming proper maintenance. Disadvantages. Intake clogging/EGR issues. Like many modern diesel engines, the 2.4 DD can suffer from intake manifold and EGR, exhaust gas recirculation. Valve clogging due to the combination of soot from exhaust gases and oily fumes from the crankcase. This can lead to reduced performance, rough running, hard starting, and check engine lights. Regular cleaning or the use of specific aerosol products at service intervals can help manage this, but a full clean might be required if severe. Tampering with emissions controls, e.g., blocking EGR, is illegal. Valve clearances. Incorrect valve clearances can lead to valve and upper cylinder damage. While not requiring full readjustment at every 30,000 kilometers, some clearances might need adjustment during services. Payload and chassis. Triton/L200 specific, while not strictly an engine fault, the associated vehicles, like the MQ Triton, can suffer from chassis bending or cracking if consistently overloaded or fitted with certain aftermarket suspension systems, e.g., airbags that overstress the chassis rail. This is a consideration for heavy users. DPF issues. The diesel particulate filter, DPF, is a common point of failure for all modern diesels, especially with short urban driving cycles that don't allow for proper regeneration. Takeoff lag. Some drivers report a slight lag from standstill, though the automatic transmission generally shifts smoothly once moving. Faults and breakdowns. The primary and most frequently discussed issue for the 2.4 DD 4N15 is intake system clogging due to the combination of exhaust gas recirculation and crankcase ventilation. This leads to carbon and oil sludge buildup, impacting engine breathing and performance. Regular maintenance, and, in some cases, professional cleaning are necessary. There are no widespread reports of major endemic mechanical failures beyond this common diesel issue, provided the engine is well maintained. Fuel consumption. Official combined fuel consumption figures for the Mitsubishi L 200/Triton with a 2.4DD engine vary based on transmission and 2WD/4WD configuration. 2.4 LDIDCM/T4x2, around 7.5 L/100 km combined cycle. 2.4 LDIDCA/T4x2, around 8.2 L/100 km combined cycle. 2.4 LDDCM/T4x4, around 7.6 L/100 km combined cycle. 2.4 LDIDCA/T4x4, around 8.3 L/100 km combined cycle. Real-world fuel consumption reports from owners often show averages ranging from 8.5 L/100 km to over 10 L/100 km, depending heavily on driving style, load, and terrain. For instance, SpreetMonitor.de data for a 2018 L200 2.4DD manual shows an average of 9.38 L/100 km. On long motorway runs, better figures are achievable, while heavy city traffic or off-roading will increase consumption. Timing. The Mitsubishi 2.4DD engine, 4N15, uses a timing chain. This is generally a positive feature, as timing chains are designed for the life of the engine and do not require periodic replacement like timing belts. However, it's recommended to check the timing chain every 25,000 kilometers, and a replacement interval for the timing chain kit is often suggested around 150,000 kilometers in documentation, although many chains last much longer with proper oil maintenance. Oil. For the Mitsubishi L200/Triton with the 2.4DD 4N15 engine, the engine oil capacity is typically around 5.9 liters. Recommended oil viscosity grades commonly include SAE 5W30, SAE 0W30, SAE 5W40, SAE 0W40. Some sources also list SAE 10W40, but typically for older/less demanding conditions. It is crucial to use engine oil that complies with Mitsubishi's specific manufacturer recommendations, which usually involve ACES C2 or C3 specifications. These are low SAPs, sulfate, ash, phosphorus, sulfur, oils vital for the longevity and proper functioning of the diesel particulate filter, DPF. The recommended service interval for engine oil is typically every 20,000 kilometers or yearly, whichever comes first. Versions and history. The 2.4DD engine, 4N15, is a key part of Mitsubishi's 4N1 engine family, which commenced development in the late 2000s and was notable for being the world's first passenger car diesel engine family to feature variable valve timing, MIVEC. History. The 4N15 2.4DD was introduced around 2015 as a replacement for the older 2.5-liter 4D56 diesel engine in models like the 5th-generation Mitsubishi L200 Triton pickup and the Pajero Sport, also known as Montero Sport or Shogun Sport in some markets. Key features. It was designed with an all-aluminum block, MIVEC, Mitsubishi Innovative Valve Timing Electronic Control, on both intake and exhaust, and a variable geometry turbocharger. These features aim to deliver better power, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions compared to its predecessor. Power output. The most common power output for the 2.4DD 4N15 is 133 kilowatts, 181 horsepower, with a maximum torque of 430 Newton meters. There may be slight variations in specific markets or for different applications. Evolution. While the 4N15 has been a robust engine, Mitsubishi has continued to evolve its powertrains. For example, a biturbocharged 4N16 diesel engine, 150 kilowatts per 470 Newton meters, has been introduced in some newer Triton models, further expanding the capabilities of the platform. In summary, the Mitsubishi 2.4DD 4N15 is a competent and generally reliable diesel engine, particularly suited for the robust demands of pickup trucks and SUVs. Its main considerations are the common modern diesel issues related to emissions systems, which require diligent maintenance to prevent problems. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.